Hello, friends! Welcome to a celebration of one of the most beloved comfort foods around, the hot dog. Whether you're a lifelong fan or just discovering the magic, there's something about a hot dog that brings a smile to almost everyone's face. Today, we're shining a spotlight on the humble hot dog, a food that instantly transports us to sunny summer barbecues, the laughter and excitement of county fairs, and the warmth of family gatherings. It's a dish that's woven into the fabric of our happiest memories, from childhood picnics to late-night snacks after a big game. There's something truly magical about biting into a juicy hot dog nestled in a pillowy, soft bun. Maybe you're a purist who loves just a squiggle of mustard. Or maybe you're the adventurous type who piles on onions, relish, sauerkraut, or even jalapenos. However you top it, a hot dog is a blank canvas for creativity and flavor. The beauty of a hot dog lies in its simplicity. With just a handful of ingredients, you can create something that's both comforting and endlessly customizable. It's a meal that's as easy to make as it is to enjoy, and it invites you to experiment with flavors, textures, and traditions from all over the world. For many of us, the hot dog is one of the very first things we ever learned to cook. There's a special kind of pride in making your own, whether you're boiling, grilling, or even roasting it over an open flame. And no matter how many gourmet meals you try, there's a unique satisfaction in that first bite of a hot dog you made yourself. In this guide, I'll walk you through every step of crafting the perfect hot dog. We'll start by choosing the right sausage. Whether you prefer classic beef, smoky pork, or a plant-based option, there's a world of flavors to explore. Then, I'll show you how to toast your buns to golden perfection, adding that irresistible crunch and warmth. We'll dive into the world of toppings, from the tried-and-true classics like ketchup, mustard, and relish, to bold and creative combinations inspired by cuisines from around the globe. I'll share tips and tricks to help you build a hot dog that's not just delicious, but truly unforgettable, one that reflects your own taste and style. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to have some fun in the kitchen. Together, we'll turn this simple, nostalgic meal into something truly special, perfect for sharing with friends, family, or just enjoying on your own. Ready? Let's get started on the journey to your perfect hot dog. Before we start cooking, let's take a moment to gather everything we'll need for hot dog perfection. Preparation is the key to a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, so having all your ingredients and tools ready will make the process much more fun and efficient. Whether you're making hot dogs for a family dinner, a backyard barbecue, or a game day snack, these essentials will set you up for success. Let's start with the star of the show, the sausages. Choose high-quality hot dog sausages. My personal favorite is all-beef frankfurters. They have a rich, savory flavor and a satisfying snap when you bite into them. If you prefer, you can also try chicken, turkey, or even plant-based sausages for a different twist. The important thing is to pick sausages that you and your guests will truly enjoy. Next, let's talk about the buns. Choose soft, fresh buns that are just the right size for your sausages. A good bun should be pillowy and slightly sweet, with enough structure to hold all your toppings without falling apart. If you want to elevate your hot dogs, look for bakery fresh buns or even try brioche or potato rolls for extra flavor and texture. Now for the classic toppings. You can't go wrong with ketchup, yellow mustard, relish, and diced onion. These timeless favorites add tang, sweetness, and crunch, creating that nostalgic hot dog flavor we all know and love. Don't forget to set out plenty of each so everyone can customize their own. If you're feeling adventurous, get creative with your toppings. Try shredded cheddar cheese for a melty, savory kick, or spoon on some hearty chili for a classic chili dog. Sliced jalapenos add a spicy punch, and you can also experiment with sauerkraut, pickles, or even coleslaw for extra crunch and flavor. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to mix and match. To take your buns to the next level, brush them with a little butter or mayonnaise before toasting. This simple step adds a golden, crispy exterior and a rich, delicious flavor that makes every bite even better. Toasting the buns also helps them hold up to all your favorite toppings. As for tools, make sure you have everything you need within reach. You'll want a saucepan for boiling, a grill for that smoky char, or a frying pan for a quick sear. Tongs are essential for safely handling hot sausages, while a sharp knife and sturdy cutting board make prepping toppings a breeze. Having the right tools makes the whole process smoother and more enjoyable. For a fun and interactive meal, set out your toppings in small bowls and create a build-your-own hot dog bar. This way, everyone can customize their hot dog just the way they like it, and it adds a festive social element to your gathering. It's perfect for parties, family nights, or anytime you want to make mealtime a little more special. Having everything prepped and organized before you start cooking makes assembling your hot dogs quick and easy. Lay out your ingredients, arrange your toppings, and set up your cooking station so you can focus on having fun and enjoying the process. With all your ingredients and tools ready, you're set up for hot dog success. Now, let's move on to building the perfect foundation for your ultimate hot dog creation. Every unforgettable hot dog experience begins with one essential element, the bun. While the sausage often gets all the attention, the bun is truly the unsung hero, the foundation that holds everything together. A great hot dog starts with a great bun, and it's worth taking a moment to get it just right. Too often, people settle for a cold, plain bun straight from the bag, but that's a missed opportunity. Instead, take a minute to toast your bun. This simple step transforms the texture, giving you a warm, crisp bite that perfectly complements the juicy sausage. The contrast between the soft interior and the golden, slightly crunchy exterior is what elevates a hot dog from ordinary to extraordinary. My go-to method is easy and always delivers delicious results. Open the bun and spread a thin layer of butter or mayonnaise inside. The fat not only adds flavor, but also helps the bun toast up beautifully. Place the bun, cut side down, in a dry pan over medium heat. Let it toast until it's golden and fragrant, which usually takes just a minute or two. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. If you're already firing up the grill for your sausages, don't miss the chance to toast your buns there too. Place them on the cooler, indirect heat side of the grill. This gives the buns a subtle smoky flavor and those beautiful grill marks. But keep an eye on them. Buns toast quickly, and you want them golden, not burnt. The goal is a bun that's soft and pillowy on the inside, with just enough crispness on the edges to add texture. When you squeeze it, it should bounce back, still warm and inviting, ready to cradle your sausage and toppings. Timing is everything. Have your buns toasted and ready to go as soon as the sausages are done cooking. That way, everything is hot and fresh, and you can assemble your hot dogs right away for the best possible flavor and texture. This simple step, taking the time to toast your buns, makes every bite better. It's a small detail, but it's the kind of care that turns a backyard cookout into a memorable meal. Don't skip it. Toasting the bun is the secret to a truly satisfying hot dog, one that's worthy of your favorite toppings and the best sausages you can find. It's the foundation that brings everything together, ensuring every bite is as delicious as the last. Now that you know how to build the perfect base, let's move on to the star of the show, cooking those sausages to juicy perfection. Boiling is the classic foolproof way to cook hot dogs, perfect for quick meals or feeding a crowd. Fill a saucepan with enough water to cover your sausages and bring it to a boil. Add the hot dogs, reduce to a simmer, and cook for 4-6 minutes until plump and heated through. Use tongs to remove them, letting any excess water drip off. This method keeps the hot dogs juicy and tender. Place them straight into your toasted buns. Simple, reliable, and always delicious. Ready for something with a little more flavor? Let's fire up the grill. Grilling hot dogs gives you smoky flavor and irresistible char marks. Preheat your grill to medium heat. Too hot and they'll burn before heating through. Make a few shallow cuts in the sausages if you like to help them cook evenly. Place hot dogs on the grill, turning every minute for even browning. Grill for 5-7 minutes until nicely browned and slightly charred. The aroma alone says summer. Transfer straight to your toasted buns. Grilling takes a little more effort, but the flavor is worth it. Next, let's try pan frying for a crispy finish. Pan frying is the perfect way to get crispy, golden hot dogs indoors. Heat a frying pan or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Add a touch of oil or butter, or just use the hot dog's own fat. Cook the sausages, turning every minute until browned and blistered all over, about 5-8 minutes. The result? A snappy, crispy skin and juicy inside. Move them straight from the pan to your buns. The sizzle and aroma make this method extra satisfying. Now let's build your ultimate hot dog. Here's where you make your hot dog your own. Classic toppings: mustard, ketchup, relish, and diced onion. Simple and always a hit. For something heartier, try chili and cheddar for a chili cheese dog, or tangy sauerkraut for a sharp bite. Like it spicy? Add jalapenos or a dash of hot sauce? Get creative barbecue sauce, crispy fried onions, crumbled bacon, or even creamy coleslaw. Set up a toppings bar so everyone can build their perfect dog. There are no rules, just delicious possibilities. The right toppings turn a simple hot dog into a meal to remember. Have fun and experiment. Now, let's bring it all together. Time to enjoy your creation. Assemble your hot dog while everything's still warm: sausage, bun, and toppings. Pair with classic sides like potato chips, coleslaw, or grilled corn. A cold drink completes the meal. Hot dogs are best shared with family and friends, food that brings people together. Whether it's a backyard barbecue or a quick dinner, hot dogs make any meal feel special. I hope you feel inspired to make your own perfect hot dog at home. No fancy skills required, just good ingredients and a little care. So next time you want something quick, fun, and delicious, remember the humble hot dog. Enjoy every bite.